Hi, welcome to the 7th Sense, and in this video I'm going to show you a really cool trick and I hope you like. So this trick actually uses 4 cards, okay, but not just any 4 cards but 4 of the most special cards, and they are the kings. Now of course the 4 kings consist of 2 black ones and 2 red ones, right? Now first I will show you one special thing using the red kings, okay? Now at this moment the red kings are actually on top, right? Normally if I were to reverse the order, now the black ones are supposed to be on top, right? But here's the thing, the red kings are actually very ambitious, because if I do the move, they actually comes right back to the top. They don't like sitting at the bottom. Now see, I will show you that again. Now watch, the red kings goes right back to the bottom, but if I do the move, that's when it actually comes right back to the top. But here's the thing, it is also possible to do the same thing with actually one card. See, I will take the king and put it on bottom, but no matter if it is alone, it still comes back to the top. Now the black kings also show the same property, but it only shows the property when it is done with a full deck. Now I will show you what I mean. Now here's the black kings, obviously, okay, and if I were to put them in different parts a little bit down in the deck, but here is what happens, okay, the cards actually comes right back to the top, just like this. And now that is really amazing, isn't it? But that's not the most amazing thing. The most amazing thing is if I take the black kings and give it a blow just like this, they turn into the black aces. But not just here, but also here. And that is the trick, guys. Alright guys, so before I get into the explanation, if you enjoyed the effect, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like card magic, okay? And also please do share the video with your friends so that more people can come to the channel and hopefully appreciate the content, okay? Anyway, so here is the explanation for this trick, okay? It actually requires a small setup. You want to bring the aces to the top in this order, okay? With the colors separated, okay? So the aces are on top and that is the setup, okay? And after that you can take out the kings one by one, or you can set the kings up earlier as well, okay? But anyway, you will take the 4 cards. Also the kings are also separated with the colors, okay? Reds and blacks, or blacks or reds, it doesn't really matter. You just have to adjust the pattern to it, okay? So anyway, once you take out the kings, you will flop them over face up. Oh, by the way, as you take out the kings, you will get a break about 2 cards, okay? Any way you like, okay? And after that you will flop these cards, flop the kings face up on top of them, and now you will pick up every card above the break, okay? So here is now 6 cards, okay? 4 kings and 2 face down aces, right? Now you will peel the kings one by one. Once you peel the first 2, then you will drop all of them on top just like this, okay? And then you will turn the red ones face down. Now what you just did is you have just simply added these 2 aces below the kings, okay? But they don't know that. Now after that you will simply turn over the top 2 cards just like this, okay? You have to turn in this order, okay? You will take one with the right hand, and then you will take the turn over the other one, okay? Because we are going to repeat this action, okay? So you have to condition them. So you will turn over like this and you will turn it over like this, okay? Now at this moment what you will do is you will say that if I reverse the order of the deck, and as you say this, you will do an Elmsley count, okay? So you will do the Elmsley count, and what happens is that now the kings are actually alternating, okay? So king ace, king ace, king ace, right? And you can say that the black kings are supposed to be on top, but if I snap my fingers, they actually comes to the top, okay? So you can actually show the king, okay? You simply turn over a single card, and then you will turn over a double, okay? You will simply push over 2 cards as one, okay? This is 2 cards, and then you will turn it over like this. So it's a nice little movement because they really saw that supposed to be on the bottom, okay? So now you will turn the double over, and you will turn this card also over. Now you will take this card, okay, actually an ace, underneath the hand card in the right hand, and now you will place them just like this on the bottom. Okay, now they can clearly see those two cards going on the bottom, but if you snap your fingers again and do the exact same thing, that is turn over a single and then turn over a double, they will see the kings again on the top. Okay, so again it's a really good movement because they just clearly saw those two cards going on the bottom. Okay, now after this you will simply turn over this double card and you will drop it here just like this, and you will say it is also possible to do it with just one card. Okay, now you will flop the single card over and you will move this card here. Okay, that is the motivation to actually put the card on top. Okay, so anyway, after this you will push over two cards as one just like this and take them and place them on the bottom. Okay, they think it is a single card. Now you will again do a double lift. Okay, you simply turn over the card again exactly as you did in the first 2 or 3 times. Okay, and then you will flop it over again and then you will deal the cards. Okay, just like this. So at this moment they think that these are the two red kings, but these are the black aces. Okay, now what you are going to do is you will drop all of these on top of the deck and you will say the black kings are a little bit different from the red ones. Okay, it requires a whole deck. And now as you say this, you will get a break about the 3 cards. Okay, the pinky count I think is the best way to do it at this moment, but if you can't do it, then don't worry, you can still simply casually spread over the cards and then get a break. Okay, so anyway, get the break about under 3 cards, and then you will push over just like this. You will take 3 cards as one and then you will push over the next one. Okay, and you will show, and you will be able to show 2 black kings. Okay, everything is as it's supposed to be. Now at this moment you will simply drop this and you will place the 2 cards, okay, in different parts of the deck just like this. Now you will do exactly the same way you actually showed the king. Okay, you will show the king exactly the same way. Now this is called post conditioning. Okay, because I can actually legitimately turn this card over, but you show this in the exact same manner as the previous one, so they will believe that the first one was also a correct one. Okay, so anyway, you show the 2 cards exactly the same way, and then you will say, but that is not the most amazing thing, and as you say that, you again get a break about 2 cards. Okay, so at this moment you will simply flop this card, okay, on top of this face up, and you can again spread these 2 cards, and now you will do the flip flop change. Okay, which means you simply turn this card over just like this and show the ace. Okay, but you will cover that turnover action by simply moving the hands upwards. Okay, so you will do this, okay, but you do that as you move the hand up, and it should look like it instantly changes into the aces. Okay, and you can drop these cards, and then after that you can also show that the table king also changed into the kings, sorry, the aces. Okay, so anyway, that is the trick. It's not very difficult to do, but it's very visual and it's very startling, and I hope you like. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for the support, and I will see you soon, and take care, bye.